Welcome back to Daytime Live. It's game time. Yes, it is. So this game has been going viral on TikTok and was brought to our attention by a friend of the show, Negus Aymara, comedian. You know, so we love him right here. So we call this game shoulder fling to your favorite food.
That look like the whole chest.
Not what he did, but what we say shoulder fling.
Right.
You know, you know.
So how it's gonna be played is that we're going to hear a Jamaican food dish, and then you have to move and fling your shoulder, and the more you like it is the more you fling it, and if you don't like it, you just stand up, and if you kind of like it, you do a soft fling. So we decided...
Can you show us what you mean for the...
No, we decided that
Can you show us?
Wait, let me explain. So we decided that to support me in the flinging, we're gonna bring some people to help me.
Some people.
So we have, we have Trey, we have Kayla, and we have Coot Ravers.
Coot Ravers.
Yes.
That's
and
it.
we have Mr. Ravers himself, Ding Dong, all from the Ravers family. So here we go. We're going to hear it, you know, and then on a fling for me.
Ready? No, Sunny, can't fling for yourself. First one.
Throw.
Jerk chicken.
Just a little one. Just a little. Wait, is that a big fling? Okay.
Ackee and saltfish.
Bum, 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 bum.
No standing. No.
Tripe and bean.
Nice.
Yes.
By yourself there, Kayla. By yourself. Just her.
Here, someone go.
Chicken back.
Bum.
Not nice like chicken back. Hey. Sanique is like, no
Trey,
thanks.
fling it for me. Shame.
Bami.
No thank you. Just Sanique by herself over there. It's not shoulder throw, Sanique. It's shoulder fling. She's like, throw the shoulder.
I love Bami.
Bami gano.
Stew peas.
Depending on where it cooked.
That's with a pigtail, right?
No, you don't have to cook with pigtail.
Pigtail with a pig.
My shoulder now move, so me I move everything else. Me I try in that.
Yeah.
It's not shoulder throw, Sanique. Shoulder fling.
Ready?
Curry chicken.
Come on.
All right, next. You'll stay right here.
Try help hard.
Rondong.
Rondong.
Go there now.
Done.
Hello?
Yeah.
Nobody like Rondong?
Right, woman gone.
Guys. Thank you.
Curry goat.
Wham.
No.
Kudre, no, sir.
I had a pet goat.
She had a pet goat. Said nobody ever, except Sanique. Okay.
Chicken foot.
I like a little chicken foot in a soup.
Tight.
On my own?
Yeah.
Like like a soup, like a foot.
All right.
Okay.
Callaloo.
All right. Kalalo a good thing.
That's a twitch.
Moving.
Kalalo a
A
good thing.
twitch from Trey and Ding. Like a twitch.
Kalalo
I like a nervous.
Yeah, white rice too.
Hello on bread? No.
White
no.
rice?
Hello on bread?
Kalalo and saltfish.
That's a mix?
Yeah,
I
man.
think that's a callaloo corned beef.
You said color on bread.
No, kalalo and saltfish.
Guys.
Oxtail.
One shoulder. One shoulder. Cool, what you do?
Yeah.
On enough to look at. Look at eye.
Either good. Me and Kayla not like oxtail.
It's okay.
Straight home.
Next.
Straight home.
Escovitch fish.
Yeah, swim around. Escovitch, swim around.
Sanique is like stir the pot. Stir the pot.
Me know which part should fly swim around and Bami and them thing there on festival.
Yes.
Elsha then.
Elsha. She did Elsha.
Mackerel.
Oh?
Mackerel.
Which one?
What?
Ah, dang!
What?
I think he likes mackerel.
Yeah.
I think he like, only when hurricane I'll take a mackerel. Otherwise, no
You
time.
mad? Right, sure.
Brown stew chicken.
Bum.
Just one good. One little. Just a little.
Bum.
Okay, I get it.
Brown stew fish.
Bum.
Go down.
I tell you how to touch them, man.
So you like fish,
Our
basically?
glorious. Yeah,
I
our
love
glorious.
salmon.
to
No,
the
but with
tell her.
coconut curry fish, no.
Ooh.
See? Yeah.
Manish water.
Nothing manish.
Kayla, Kayla. She's not by herself over here with the porridge
That's still a goat.
and the manish water. We done?
French fried chicken.
French fry.
What's
yeah,
French
yeah,
fried
yeah,
chicken?
yeah,
Like,
yeah,
just
yeah.
fried chicken, but in
Yeah.
France?
No.
Yeah.
In Paris?
Yeah.
What do I do with you?
French fried chicken?
Yes,
Yeah.
when you put it,
Chicken.
when you
What
put
is
it
French
in the
fried
butter
chicken?
and then put on
Yeah, no,
flour
fried chicken.
and then
Why is it
deep
French?
fry it. That's just what it's called.
Fully fried chicken.
Bully beef.
Oh? Bam, bam,
Bully beef. A little one. Bloop, 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 bloop.
Make sure say
Trey's
aggress.
like bloop, bloop.
A little one.
Yeah.
Bloop.
Cow foot.
Good. Yeah, I can't go on.
I don't like no
Cow
food.
foot.
I like the foot
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
Cow foot good for you as man.
Fish tea.
Nothing fish.
Fish tea.
That thing.
Chicken foot soup, me say. Oh, that's it.
Jerk chicken.
That's
Oh, that was it. Oh, look at us like,
Okay.
okay.
I'm gonna wait for a few other things, but no
I feel
problem.
like we learned a lot from everyone.
Yeah.
We learned a lot from
Yeah, yeah,
Trey,
yeah,
Kayla,
yeah.
and Coot and Dick. We learned
Yeah.
a lot. I still don't know. French fried chicken? Mommy
Where you live?
just fried chicken. Why is it
no,
French fried chicken?
Nisha Yen.
Why does it say French fried chicken?
Fried chicken.
It just
Why we
said
say
fri-
French fries? Because it paired with the.
I don't say French fries, I say chips.
You know what?
Chips.
Okay, guys, Daytime now will be right
no, man.
back. And we're going to talk to Ding Dong about his amazing album debut. Put it work!